Back to our YouTube channel IntradayJeetFX. So today we are going to discuss the gold overview again. So as we discussed on last Saturday, here this is 4 hour time frame. We are directly jumping into the video. You can clearly see this as we discussed on that Saturday. We were zones, like if this breaks, I said we can go upside, but as it broke down side, it was clearly going down, and we can clearly see this, that on the 4 hour time frame this broke the long trend line coming since almost, you can say, ever since the mid-September. So this trend line is finally broken, you can clearly see, and it's somewhere around this very crucial zone. I'll not just take this, just 1 second. The market is currently, so you can see clearly, we can take it from here, so we'll just clone this if we need more. So you can clearly see this is very crucial zone. I'll just change the time frame to M30 so that we can clearly see this. Even M15 is fine. You can clearly see this is very important zone. So if this level is broken, you can clearly see, if this level is broken, we can clearly target the highs of 4050, or even you can 4080. But this is very important zone so far now. So next we can target like almost 4050. So this is very crucial now. If this breaks, now this is the current live market going on. I'll just clone this now so that we can put it here. This is very big trend line, sorry. So anyhow, no problem. If this breaks, so you can clearly see this. If this breaks, I'll change the time frame to M30 so that it will be easier for us to. So you can clearly see this now. This is a small zone where the market is now in. So you can clearly see, if this breaks, we can target the levels of almost all 3975. So this is very crucial zone. Like you can see from the top we have this zone, and the bottom we can target these levels. Like we can target these. So if this breaks above, then we can target, as I said, 4050. So easy, like downside we have, like from here you can say 400, like it's 300 to 400 pips, and from above upside also it's like almost some 250 to 300 pips. So it's we just have to be very patient. And as you can see, there's a FOMC and Fed rate cut tonight, so we might be seeing a move post that. But for now, as we can clearly see, it's very simple trades. So that's it for now. This is a very short video, and before closing it, I just want to show you something. If at all market don't go up, I mean, say whatever be the situation, technically, fundamentally, whatever it can be, so you can clearly see something. I'll just show you something. Now you can see it. See this. I'll take this trend line. I'll take this trend line. I'll draw this clearly. You can see this now. Now there is a new trend line towards the downside is forming. You can clearly see this, and this is currently respecting it on this H4 time frame. You can clearly see this now, and if this continuously follows this, then we can clearly see a very good downside move towards, you can say, 3600 as well. So you can clearly see that 3600, and this is a very important move. And you can clearly see why I'm saying this, because the reason behind this is, I'll just show you brush. I'll just find it directly. Brush. Yeah, you can see this brush. I've just picked it. You can see this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Similarly, it made a pattern. Then after the breaking the trend line, you can see some, like, it's made the break, it broke the structure, and then higher low, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If this breaks, then it will again come here, lower low, then lower high, lower low, lower high, and this can continue to follow. So this is very important zone. If this doesn't break, then it will continue going there, or else it will break this, it will again like try to catch this level like 4100 to 4120. If not, then if this breaks, then it can clearly form this higher 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 low higher high. This can continue, but if this continues to the downside, then it will be this move. So you can clearly see in this video. So that's it for today, guys. So let's wait for the FOMC. This will give us the clear direction, like the Fed rate tonight. It will give us the direction, either upside or downside, where it will go. So let's see. That's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, just in another video, maybe in 2 days. So let's see how it goes. Bye bye, guys.